Hello everyone, my name is Oliver and today I will show you how work items orchestrate your supplier master data within the Onventis All-in-One Procurement solution. In a networked environment where business partners can exchange their own master data or request master data from other business partners, it becomes increasingly important to aggregate all those different input channels for master data and sequence their processing by making use of according data objects. Within our supplier management, we have now introduced those data objects carrying and processing supplier master data, which we call work items. In order to understand the function of work items, first of all, some general rules have to be considered. The most important rule when speaking about work items is that work items are processed using the first in, first out principle. The first in, first out principle is a well-established and easy to understand principle known for many years in information technology and other business areas. This means that work items are queued up and processed based on the actual sequence they have been created. Within the supplier master data, we have one queue for the master data in scope of the organization and one queue for the master data in scope of each organizational unit the supplier is extended for. Each queue can carry unlimited work items, but only one work item can be processed per queue at the same time to follow the first in, first out principle. Whenever a work item was processed completely, the system automatically continues with the next work item in the queue. Optional supplier approval workflows can be configured for both create and update case. These approval workflows support the buying companies to ensure the data which will be processed within a work item fulfills the buying company's compliance rules by getting an approval by all relevant stakeholders involved in the supplier master data processes. But let me show you this in a real-world example. As a supplier already registered in our supplier network, I am able to constantly maintain my master data within the company data page. In this case, I am simply changing my website information and save it. When changing data as a supplier, all my connected buyers will receive the update as a work item. As a supplier manager, also responsible for approvals, I am now able to see all work items which are queued up. Here I can see that there is already one work item in approval, activated in consequence of a supplier master data change by a colleague of mine in the buyer organization. We also see the master data change of the supplier being queued up and waiting for being processed. I am now going to approve the first work item. Therefore, I will be going into the list of items to be released, and here we can see the work item which has to be approved. We also see the changes which have been made by the user. Now we see that directly after the first work item was processed, the next work item directly gets activated and also the optional approval is started. What you can see here now is the update which was made by the supplier, and I'm also going to approve this directly here. Thank you for watching this video. For further information, please visit our website, or if you want to see more videos like this, visit our Onventis TV video portal.